In this video, I will show you how to add Google Ads conversion tracking to your Wix website. This lets you track conversions from your Google Ads campaigns and measure your results directly inside Google Ads. First, log into your Wix account. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you will see a search bar. Type Marketing and select Marketing Integrations. Inside this page, you will see an option called Google Tag. This lets you connect Google Analytics, Google Ads conversion tracking, and other Google services using one tag. Click Connect. Wix will now ask you to enter your Google Tag ID. If you do not have one yet, click the link to follow Google's instructions. It will open a step-by-step guide showing you how to create your Google Tag inside Google Ads or Google Tag Manager. Once you create your tag ID, copy it. Now go back to Wix and paste your Google Tag ID into the field. Click. Add Google Tag ID to save it. You can also add additional tag destinations or enable advanced consent mode, but both of those are optional. The most important part is entering your Google Tag ID so your site is properly connected. One important note, you must have a Wix Premium plan to be able to add Google tracking features. If you are on a free plan, you will need to upgrade first. That is how you add Google Ads conversion tracking to Wix. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more website and marketing tutorials.